Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the minimal environment so real work begins immediately. Create a Python 3.8+ virtual environment and upgrade pip. This prevents dependency conflicts. Then install NumPy, Pillow, OpenPython, and either TensorFlow or PyTorch depending on preference. Next, assemble a labeled dataset and train/validation folders. Make sure classes are balanced if possible. Once done, write a tiny data loader script to read, resize, and normalize images. This step lets you iterate quickly and ensures consistent inputs. Now you construct and train the model. Pick a simple CNN for from-scratch experiments or apply transfer learning with ResNet or MobileNet for faster results. Implement data augmentation, flips, rotations, scaling, and color jitter to increase robustness. This reduces overfitting and improves generalization. Then set optimizer Atom or SGD, learning rate schedule, batch size, and epochs, log metrics each epoch. While training, monitor loss and validation accuracy to detect underfitting or overfitting, and adjust hyperparameters accordingly. Finish by evaluating and packaging the system so it serves real inputs. Compute a confusion matrix and per-class precision/recall to find weakness areas. Once identified, retrain or augment those classes. Export the final model to a portable format such as saved model or ONCs and create a simple inference script or API that loads the model and preprocesses incoming images consistently. If things go wrong, check labels for noise, verify preprocessing order, reduce learning rate, or add more augmentation. One targeted fix usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.